Hello everyone, this is Abby Bliss White and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a little something different and share with you an amazing recipe that I made for Halloween that is crazy delicious, and I just feel like I need to share it with the world. You guys, these little guys are little healthy like Snicker bars. I love dates and I'm going to show you how to make them, but I could not believe, I freaked out when I tried a bite of these. So delicious, and they literally tasted like Snicker bar to me. Now my daughter did point out that I probably haven't had a Snicker bar in a very long time, and so that made me laugh. I was like, okay, point taken. But I do have to tell you, these are amazing, and I thought I would pop on because they're so easy to make, and it's just a much healthier Halloween treat. So for those of you that do not know me, my name is Abby Bliss White. I'm the owner of Bliss Holistic Health. I'm a certified holistic health coach as well as yoga instructor and personal trainer. And then many of you know me as my beauty junkie, which is a big part of me as well. Okay, so anyways, let me just show you what I'm going to be making. I'm going to go ahead and pull you down here. Okay, you guys, these are so freaking amazing that I needed to share. So you're just going to take, first, these have like 5 ingredients max. So you guys, these are organic pitted medjool dates. You can also buy these in the bulk section, but they will have the pits. These ones have had the pits removed. And what I'm going to do is just slice them a little bit like that, because then we're gonna stuff these little babies with some goodness. Now I'm just gonna make 2 just to show you, because I already have some over here. But obviously these you could take, I'm gonna be giving you the recipe, but about 10 would be what I would be saying to make ahead of time. So next thing is you're going to use your nut butter. Sorry, I'm gonna just do a little bit like this. I'll talk to you like this. A little nut butter of choice. I'm gonna go ahead and use peanut butter because I felt like this was the most like Snicker bar like, but often I use sunflower seed butter, almond butter, whatever your favorite nut butter is. I am gonna just take about a little teaspoon. Okay, I'm bringing you back down. This is when I wish I had a helper during the day. Okay, you guys, from here, I'm just gonna stuff that little date with the nut butter. I would say I'm doing about a teaspoon, and I'm just stuffing the date just like that. Oops, let me pull out. Okay, here we go. I stuffed the date with a little bit of peanut butter. I'm gonna wipe my hands off, and then I got so excited I had to share it with you. Okay, so you guys, then I bought chocolate chips. I tried to go with the highest amount of cacao. So these are 63% cacao chocolate chips. And one little tip I want to tell you, in order to make kind of like candy bar like glossy chocolate, you melt the chocolate chips with a teeny bit of coconut oil. And the coconut oil is going to give it that glossy kind of candy bar look. And I just put that in for about a minute, and maybe a little bit more than a minute. And I got those nice and melted. And then one last thing is to make it really taste like a Snicker bar is you're going to take some peanuts and you're going to stuff them in that, because it's kind of like the peanut butter is the nougat. And then you've got the peanuts here. And then what we're gonna do is just simply dip this guy in, and I'm just going to roll the chocolate over it, and we're gonna coat that with the chocolate. Yes, you guys, I'm not kidding, I almost died when I tried. I have another version, another recipe that I use dates with that taste like Rolos. It's a little different than this one, but I laughed because this version, I literally was like, this is the best thing I've ever had. Now granted, I probably haven't had candy in many years. Okay, now I just dipped those and rolled them in the chocolate. And then what I do is I have some chopped peanuts, and I'm just going to simply coat on the top just like that. And bada bing, that is what they look like. And I'm gonna bring you slightly up. And then I pop those in the fridge and I chill them. And then you guys, they're like your own individual little candy bar. Let's go ahead and take a bite because I literally freaked out, almost fell down on the floor because it was so good. I mean, it literally tastes like a candy bar. So let's take a little test and hold on. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, that peanut butter and those little crunch of the peanuts inside, and then the date gives it a nice sweetness, but it really does have that. I don't know how these people eat bites and then talk. Maybe they do voiceovers. Anyhow, these are amazing. This is your healthy Snicker bar dupe, and I promise you they're so easy to make, much healthier. You have a little bit of refined sugar in the chocolate chips. You could also use a darker chocolate bar and just melt that if you really want to zone in and keep it a little bit healthier. But this is seriously delicious, and I hope you make these and enjoy them. And thank you for coming into my kitchen today. If you like this kind of video, please comment below and let me know. I'm always happy to share more of my healthy recipes, healthy dupes, along with all the other fun beauty and skincare and all of that. But anyways, happy Halloween. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and be safe and be healthy. Talk to you soon.